In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the TradingView position tool for sizing your trades. This tool is incredibly handy for traders looking to manage risk effectively, as it helps you determine the precise position size needed for your trades based on your risk preferences. We'll break this down step by step so you can confidently apply these tools to your trading strategy. First, we need to select the correct tool for our situation. Go to the left-hand toolbar on your TradingView interface. Here you'll find an icon that looks like a projection, specifically under Prediction and Measurement tools. Click on this icon, and from the options that appear, choose either the long position or the short position tool, depending on whether you plan to go long or short on your position. Once you've selected the tool, it's time to place it on your chart. This is done by clicking on your planned entry point. Simply click where you intend to enter the trade. You'll notice a box appears indicating your entry, take profit, and stop loss levels. Next, let's set your risk and profit levels. You can do this by dragging the blue dots on the tool. Adjust the middle line to reflect your entry price. Then move the top green line to the desired take profit level and the bottom red line to indicate your stop loss price. These visual guidelines provide a clear representation of your trade parameters on the chart. Now it's time to refine the tool settings to reflect your account specifics. Right-click on the tool and select Settings from the menu that appears. Here, you'll input details crucial to your risk management. Start by entering your total account size. This should be the total capital you're trading with. After this, specify the risk amount. This can be a fixed dollar amount or a percentage of your total account that you're comfortable risking on this trade. The magic of this tool lies in its automatic calculations. Once you've entered your account size and risk details, the tool performs the heavy lifting by calculating the position size or quantity you should use to meet your defined risk parameters. This saves you the hassle of manual calculations and ensures that your trades are consistently managed according to your risk tolerance. Finally, confirm and make any necessary adjustments. Click OK to accept these settings. Take a moment to review your chart and adjust the take profit and stop loss lines to fine-tune your risk-reward ratio. It's essential to ensure that these levels align with your trading plan and market conditions. By following these steps, you've effectively used the TradingView position tool to size your trades accurately. This approach not only facilitates disciplined trading, but also supports your overall risk management strategy, ultimately contributing to more informed and controlled trading decisions. Happy trading!